So I'm walking with my dogs on a short hike this afternoon, and I've been here, I don't know, hundreds of times. I used to come here every chance I get right after work. It's 7:25 p.m. and I just came across an amazing find. I found this type of stuff here in these mountains around me many times before. I have about 20 pieces now, and this is what I'm talking about. I'm here with my dogs walking, and then I spot this. Can you tell what it is? I haven't touched it yet. Let me focus. Yes, it's a piece of an arrowhead. So I'm gonna pick it up. And I'm gonna show it to you. Look at that. It's broken, obviously. It's missing the tip, and it's missing a part at the bottom. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Amazing. Archaeological find here on my short hike. Arrowheads. I mean, this thing could be, I don't know, 400 years old, 1,000 years old, who knows? It's right up on the surface here, laying on the ground, because everything here is rock and hard soil, and there's no vegetation, as you can see. It's a desert, so there's not much dirt that can bury this over the years. And it has been raining lately, and that helps a lot, because it washes, oops, almost dropped it. It washes the soil, and it reveals these amazing finds. Look at that. A perfect, well, almost perfect, it's broken, arrowhead. The Indians here, back in the day, they used to hunt for rabbits, they used to hunt for deer, fox, coyotes, squirrels. There's still some wildlife around here, especially back there. Those woods on the back, those mountains, it's actually a high desert forest. There are actually pine trees and oaks. So there's wildcat, deer, there are coyotes, foxes, you name it. So that's what my ancestors used to hunt here with these arrowheads. Amazing find. I just love it when I find stuff like this. It's so exciting. One more for my collection. I'll put some pictures here in the video of my entire collection. I actually found one this weekend, another piece like this, on a camping trip. I don't know if you saw the video. It's a video review about a camp chair. I'll put the link for that video also. And it was right here in these woods. Well, I actually had to travel by car for like 40 minutes, and then we hiked for about an hour and a half. But it's the same woodland. So thanks for watching. Really excited about my arrowhead, and I'll be seeing you on my next video.